FF Group presents simple-to-use NumberOk software for traffic control and citizen secure. NumberOk provides around-the-clock monitoring of the situation on roads, ensures safety, and helps shape responsible drivers' behavior. Just install NumberOk Perpetual License. What are the unique advantages of NumberOk? NumberOk supports USA, Canada, and Mexico simultaneously. NumberOk installs in a few clicks with E-key only. NumberOk operates on any IP camera. Automatic warnings of different types of violators. Search option according to allowed or denied list or manual search by vehicle brand, color, type. Can be integrated into any 3D party system and VMS. Today, NumberOk has integration with the network optics. Just try. Let's look at cases that will be useful for North America. Prevent crime. Recognize license plates, brand, model, color, type, allows to detect cars from the wanted list with alarm in real time, and provides useful statistics for the selected vehicle. Increase citizen security. Our system controls traffic on crossroads with installed traffic lights. NumberOk detects vehicles running red lights, identifies the offending car by plate number, and stores all the evidence of the incident. Decreased accident rate. Our system detects license plates and puts a timestamp on the first and second cameras to calculate the average speed based on the previously measured distance between the two cameras. Caring for roads and the environment. When a camera captures passing vehicles, NumberOk tags certain vehicles classed as commercial vehicles, semi-trucks for example. These tagged vehicles can then be compared with a whitelist of vehicles authorized to transit into the city center. If you need to easily sort out traffic violation problems, and in the best way, just choose NumberOk for your projects. Don't wait. Order a free full-feature trial right now.